G'day beautiful people, Wesley here from Trusted Pest Management, coming to you today from Bardon in Brisbane, and I am checking up on a job that I did a little while ago, just making sure the termites are dead. So let's see how we're going. Right, well you can see all that termite damage there. That doesn't look good, but there's definitely nothing active. Look at all that mud workings there. So I've scraped away, nothing active there, but you can see how high they got up. More termite damage there, but that's all dead. Yeah, nothing active there. Looking good so far. Let's have a look over here. Wow, you can see that termite lead there, and there are definitely dead termites there. So that means the product Termidor's worked. Dead ants is a good ant. More termite leads there, but nothing's active. So I can confirm that we have nothing but dead termites, but it's always good to check up on your job. So we want to make sure that we do the right thing by our client, but Trusted Pest, we are the best.